On the 4th of December, the UK government dropped a bombshell.
Will stop overseas care workers from bringing family dependents.
Literally on immigration. And these policies would definitely affect people coming into the United Kingdom from 2024. So if you're looking to relocate, you really need to watch this video to find out what these 5 major immigration new policies are, so that you will not find yourself stranded and you understand what you're getting into, coming into the United Kingdom. My name is Yeti, and on this channel I share information about relocating, migrating to the United Kingdom, living abroad, and everything traveling and fun content. If this interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please like, share. You'll definitely find my page useful. Guys, it is happening. The UK government have come with some policies that will affect student visa, health and care worker visa, skilled worker visa, and even family visa. So it's as if no one is spared. The very first major change is the health and care visa. Like, this is so shocking. They are saying that if you're coming on the health and care visa come spring 2024, you're not allowed to bring dependents, guys. You are not allowed to bring dependents. So they've stopped dependent visa for health and care workers. That is what. Care firms that will be sponsoring care workers to the United Kingdom must be regulated by the Care Quality Commission before they are allowed to sponsor anyone to come into the United Kingdom. So it's not the case where an agency will just come and sponsor you, or a care home that is not regulated will come and sponsor you. No, they're saying that these care firms must be licensed and must be regulated by the Care Quality Commission. Now, why have they made these changes? They are saying that over 100,000 visas, health and care visas, has been issued, and about 120,000 dependents came with this health and care visa, and 25% only are in employment. So meaning the remaining 75%, which are probably children, are just there enjoying, the benefits of the government, and then they are not doing anything. I find this policy really sad and so inhuman. For even a country like the United Kingdom, I mean, they're on the forefront of human rights, and you know that the right to family is an essential right to be with your family members, people that love and care for you. And you're saying that, come into my country, come and work for me, come and serve me, but no, don't come with your family. Are you literally saying that someone with a 5 years care work visa that is of marriageable age, or that has a love partner, should come into the United Kingdom, work all their life for you, but shouldn't bring in their kids, shouldn't bring in their own spouse? It doesn't make any sense. Like, they should make it make sense. This change is really shocking. I hope they review it, if they are still reviewing it. And if they're not reviewing it, it's really going to be sad. And I definitely am looking forward to a decline in people coming into the UK to work as a carer. The honest truth, majority of the people that apply for health and care visa did it for their partner, did it for their kids. Like, they're saying, okay, let me come and do this, even if this is what I do for a while, not because I enjoy it. If you see a lot of people in this world, these are people that have graduated university, that could have been doing something with their life, but because they want a better life for themselves, they want better lives for their kids, they're coming to take care of old people for you. But now you're saying that, come and work for me, but don't bring my kids. So there's no morale, there's no incentive, because most times people apply for health and care visa because of the incentive. Like, okay, my children at least will come into the United Kingdom, free education, they have better life, greener pasture and all of that, which is not a bad thing. But you're now saying that don't come into the UK with your family if you're on the health and care visa, but come and still work for me. Guys, this doesn't make sense at all. The second major policy change has to do with skilled worker visa. So they're saying that the skilled worker visa salary threshold has changed from £26,200 to £38,000. So what they're saying is that if you want to finish your master's in the United Kingdom and you're looking for a job with sponsorship, if the job does not have the salary threshold of £38,000, they cannot sponsor you. Abba, how many people in the United Kingdom earns £38,000? Like, how many British people earns £38,000? See, pardon my French, but I think these policies are bullshit. They're just, they don't want migrants anymore. Because make it make sense. You're saying people should come into the United Kingdom, but they must earn 38,000. No employer is going to pay very few of them. So they're literally saying that it's going to be, skilled worker is not even easy to get. And then you're saying that the salary threshold is now 38,000. A lot of people A lot of company will not even issue it because they won't want to pay £38,000, you know. So that means it's going to be really difficult for people looking for skilled worker, you know, jobs in the United Kingdom to get now because... But however, they exempted care workers. So they're still saying carers can still earn, you know, low, but their own is that they cannot come with dependents. So carers are not affected by this skilled worker salary change. If you're coming on a sponsorship, 38,000 is the minimum salary you can get, or you can't be sponsored, which is sad. Third on my list has to do with shortage occupation list. Guys, the government scrap cut labor from overseas, reforming the way in which people working the short staff section can apply to come and work in the UK. Definitely include asking the 20% discount apply to the minimum salary for people for a visa for shortage occupation. Other major changes to the shortage occupation list is that they are looking to review the, you know, the list or the jobs on the shortage occupation list. So going forward, it's not going to be every job listed on that list that will qualify for skilled work visa. They are going to review it, remove some part of it, and then we'll just probably have a skeletal kind of list because majority of what is on that list will be taken out, which is also, I don't know, honestly. Anyways, guys, another sad policy change on my list is family visa. So they are saying that the minimum threshold for family visa is now £38,000, and they said the main reason why they're implementing this is to ensure that people inviting people to come or having dependents in the UK can have, you know, enough to cater for their dependent. They're increasing it from the going rate of 18,800 that it was in 2012 to £38,000. So they're basically saying if you want to apply for a family visa, no problem, but you must at least earn £38,000. Like, why are they tackling family? It doesn't really make any sense, honestly. Last but not the least has to do with student visa. You all know that as of January 2024, even if you're coming into the UK for your master's degree, you can no longer bring a dependent unless you're doing a research program or a postgraduate program like PhD. Before you can't bring in your dependent to come to the United Kingdom with you. They have asked MAC, that's the Migration Advisory Committee, to look into the graduate route. Like, seriously, guys, you still want to look into the graduate route for what? To ensure that, you know, there's no abuse of the graduate route. So I don't know. They're definitely saying that we want to look into this. Whether we're scrapping it or not, we cannot say. I mean, this is what an average student looks forward to. So if you're also having a problem with the graduate route, then I don't really understand the UK anymore, to be honest. They're looking into the graduate route to protect, you know, the integrity of higher education. I don't know, once I've graduated, I don't think there should be any reason why they're looking into the graduate route. People should be able to apply for the post-study work visa after graduation. It still doesn't make sense. Anyways, guys, these are the 5 sad and unfortunate policies that the UK is trying to implement or have announced that they will implement come, you know, spring 2024. So guys, this is not to discourage anyone. If you still want to come into the UK, now is still the time. Ensure that you start filing your process. General admission is still ongoing as well. Check my description box if you're interested to apply. There are schools as low as £10,300. But the most important thing is that procrastinating on your jackpot journey is a very big mistake. I know a lot of people that have been because things keep changing, and the way law works, it does not operate retrospectively, meaning if you're already in, it might not affect you. So it's usually for those just coming in. You need to ensure that you have to be proactive in your jackpot journey. You have to make plans as soon as you can. Anyways, I'm so sorry that I brought in news that is not so delightful, but it is what it is, and I'll keep you more updated. Don't forget to follow Yettysplash for more. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.